So today I'm going to take you guys on one of the easiest wig install. I'm not big on like the whole glue and max cap and all of that when I want to install my hair, because I don't want to carry it for too long, at most 3 days. So I'm going to be showing you guys an easy way to install your frontal wig without doing too much, and if you don't want to carry it for days, it's easy for you to take out. So today we have this wig from QT Hair. Let me just show you guys what's inside. We have the comb set, pink. We have the wig cap. This is not HD, this is just your regular wig cap, but it kind of looks like HD though. We have 2 of that, and then the hair. So this is semi Yaki. It's not like the full normal Yaki, it's kind of in between. This is what it looks like. It also has an adjustable strap in here, and of course the clip inside to secure your wig. This is 14 inches. Okay, so what I'll do first is, I don't like to cut my lace on my hair because it can be a bit tricky. So what I do is I put it on and then I mark out where my ear stops. I'll use like a brown pencil, makeup pencil, whatever pencil you have, just to mark that out. Then I bring it out and then I cut, so it's easier for me, and I don't want to actually mistakenly cut my ear, so I just do that method and it works, and it's easy. Anybody can do that. If you're still struggling to get like the perfect that ear loop fitting, then this method will work. I put it back so I don't have any hair in front, and I can clearly mark out my ear where I want to cut off the excess lace around my ear, so it's easier for me. I'm going to use this. Don't laugh at my pencil. This pencil has been through a lot. I'm sure right now it's just screaming out, help me! But yeah, don't laugh at me. I have another one, but I don't know where it is. So I'm just going to mark out where my ear starts from. That's here. If you're not sure, just give like maybe less than ½ inch, just so when you cut that out, you have extra room if you need to do any corrections. So now, as you can see, it fits perfectly just to where I want it to. Sure. Walk with pride anew, every step true, unveil your spirit bright. You are the night, embrace your light, queen of life. Sing it loud, no strife. You're a shining star, embrace your light, queen of. I got the darkest shade possible, and this one works perfectly. I think, what color is this? Medium brown. So now I'm done. You can see how it looks like. It blends well with my skin. So compared to how it looked before, I arranged it according to how I want it to be. What I'm going to use, I'll use the Got2b glue spray. So like I said, I don't use like the conventional white glue because I feel like it leaves a lot of cast and it stays longer. I don't want my wig on my hair for too long. I want to take it off after a few days. But with this, it can stay up to a week if you just top up and like maintain the edges with this, and it works perfectly for me. I prefer this method. It's easier to install and it's easier to take out, so yeah, I just stick with it. No strife, you're a shining star tonight. Crown of girls so free,
ensure. Walk with pride anew, every step true, until your spirit bright.
Never ever apply like your glue, either the white one, this one, or any other wig glue, and then go in directly to just put on your wig. Allow it to dry for like a few minutes. If you have a blow dryer, use that, or like a hand fan, or just wait for like 2 or 3 minutes before you apply that, unless it's going to come out looking a bit messy. So now I think I'm going to style it as a side part instead of all back, just so we can just play around the wig a bit and see how it looks. But so far I really like how this wig looks. It's really soft. Like I said, it's a 14 inches and it's true to length. It's a semi Yaki, so it kind of feels like Yaki, but it doesn't really look like Yaki. It kind of looks like the normal human hair texture. So now I use this to just cut out the edges, then reapply my glue, tie that back on, and then style my wig. If you're kind of new to this, try and cut a little bit away from the lace, maybe cut here, and then you can use your scissors to retrim it to fit what you want, so that you don't end up spoiling your wig. So you cut a bit further, let's say here. You see, I still have some extra lace around here. So you cut that way because that's easier, and then you can use the scissors and go back in and just retrim everything so it stays perfectly. Now I'm done cutting. You can see we still have some white cast. This is open. I'm not going to use my got this bead spray anymore because I don't want this to stay on my hair for too long. I'll probably take it out tomorrow or next. So I'm just going to use my spritz and apply it twice all over the edges, and then just use my wig band and secure that. That will work perfectly. I want to try something I've not really tried before. I don't know if it's going to work out or if it's going to be like a total epic failure, but hopefully it works out well. I want to add some layers to this part and maybe just coil this, but not like with like the proper coiling iron. I'll probably just use my straightener because I don't want like really defined curls. I just want something playful that would add some volume to the hair. I have not really layered this length of wig before, so I'm going to try something light at first. I'll probably just cut a little bit from this part, just so that when I coil it, you know, it goes smoothly to the back. And yeah, hopefully it doesn't turn out bad. I really like this wig because it kind of gives the relaxed version of a 4C hair. I don't know if you can see it. So it looks really nice. So now this is what it looks like. It blends better. So like I said, this wig is pre-plucked, but it's not as pre-plucked as I would have wanted it to. I think maybe on my next install I would probably take out some hair in the front, so it just blends. It has that natural feel all the way to the back, but this is also not bad at all. Now I can decide to wear it just like this as a side part. Like I said, let's try something different and see how it turns out. So I'm just going to curl this part a little bit away from my face and this part a bit, and just see if it gives it some extra volume.
Mirror on the wall, you shine so tall with your natural grace on your perfect space. Melanin so deep in your beauty, keep every curve, every line radiates divine. Embrace your light, queen of life. Sing it loud, no strife. You're a shining star tonight. Crown of curls so free, you are majesty. Flawless skin so pure, confidence you ensure. Walk with pride anew, every step true. Unveil your spirit bright, you are the night. Embrace your light, queen of life. Sing it loud, no strife. You're a shine.
So I guess our little experiment worked because I really love it like this. It looks really cute, it looks really chic, it looks more like my kind of style. So tell me what you guys think about this wig in the comment section. I'm going to add all the description and the link to this wig in my description box so you guys can shop from them. Again, this hair is from QT Hair. You can check out their website. They have other colors and other styles, other lengths. Yeah, so I guess my little experiment worked. I kind of look like Madam Secretary. I like it. I hope this video was helpful to somebody who wants to learn how to easily install their wig without going through the whole hassle of glue and all of that. And I hope you also enjoyed this install. Let me know which look you prefer. Do you prefer the straight look or this look? Personally, I like this look, but yeah, let me know in the comment section which one you prefer. Have a lovely day.
Queen of life, sing it loud, no strife. You're a shining star tonight.